It is this very spirit that made the people of Switzerland and this wonderful country stand with the people of Kosovo in our most difficult hours and also in our most hopeful moments. Just as Switzerland once offered refuge to minds like Albert Einstein and Thomas Mann, as well as to a young girl from Prague named Madeleine Albright, who then became the US Secretary of State, it became a powerful advocate for Kosovo's freedom. And so did hundreds of thousands of my fellow Kosovars find shelter here during the darkest hours in our history. It is here in Switzerland that many of Kosovo's freedom efforts found both protection and support. We will never, ever forget that. Kosovo will forever remain grateful to Switzerland and to all the people of Switzerland. Today, hundreds of thousands of people of Kosovar origin live in this wonderful country. Out of difference, we have built common ground. We have broken barriers, and we have built common dreams. Together, we have forged a unique partnership, rich in friendship and rich in people-to-people ties. The sons and daughters of those who once arrived as workers and refugees are now doctors and engineers, artists and entrepreneurs. They're building lives of purpose. They're strengthening their communities here in Switzerland. And every single day, they help drive the prosperity of their new home.